To start math today, we are going to sing a math song. So in my last lesson to you guys last week, I showed you one of my favorite math songs called Naming Numbers. Today, we're going to sing a different math song called Count Up, Count Down by the same person, Hap Palmer. So we're going to be counting up to 10 and then back down to 0. And we're going to use our fingers. And I want you to use your fingers with me because you have 10 beautiful fingers. Can you see them right now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give me a 10-finger wave. Hi. Give me a high 10. Kind of like a high five, but with all of your 10 fingers. Good job. Okay, so now that your fingers are ready, I hope that you can count with me, okay? Also, there's a little bit of dancing involved. So if you want to stand up, you totally can. I'm going to stay seated in my chair so you can see me a little bit better. And let's do it, okay? Ready? We're doing the count up, we're doing the count up, we're doing the count up from 0. We know what we say, and we say what we know, and we know we can count up from 0. Starting at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! We're doing the countdown, we're doing the countdown, we're doing the countdown to 0. We know what we say, and we say what we know, and we know we can count down to 0. Starting at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yay! Dance break. Let's see your dance moves. We're doing the count up, we're doing the count up, we're doing the count up from 0. We know what we say, and we say what we know, and we know we can count up from 0. Ready at 0. 0, 1, 2. Let me see your fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah! The countdown, we're doing the countdown, we're doing the countdown to 0. We know what we say, and we say what we know, and we know we can count down to 0. Starting at 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah! Count up, count down, up to 10 and back again. Count up, count down. Good job, everyone! I loved reading during literacy time with you and learning more about the butterfly life cycle. You guys did so great during that. Today for math, we're also going to be focusing on caterpillars because I have a special friend with me. It's Eric Carl's caterpillar. Say hi. This is the caterpillar puppet based off the book that we just read, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Hi, caterpillar buddy. Hi, Pipster Prep. He's ready to do some math with us, okay? So, for this activity, you need your Play-Doh. And when we play with Play-Doh, we want to make sure that we wash our hands first and that we wash our hands after we play with it too. And that we do it on maybe like a tray or something like a maybe newspaper, something that we don't want to get dirty because Play-Doh can get really messy. So ask your family where you should be doing Play-Doh so that they can make a space for you to do Play-Doh. I am at Pipster Prep right now, so I am using a Pipster Prep tray for Play-Doh. I'm using a Pipster Prep blue tray, and I have my Play-Doh right here. So hopefully you ask one of your family members, where can I do Play-Doh? You can pause the video if you need to go ask. And you can find something like a tray or like a clean table spot and or like newspaper or something that you can have down so it doesn't mess anything up, okay? And we are going to use our Play-Doh, and we are going to make a leaf with our Play-Doh. We learned from Eric Carle's books that caterpillars love eating leaves. So I'm not a super artist. You might be. But for me, I like to not worry so much about what things actually look like. I know that when I play with Play-Doh, a lot of it is just about having fun. So I'm not going to cry or get upset if my leaf doesn't really look like a leaf. It can just look like a pancake, see? It can just look like a pancake. So spend some time playing with your Play-Doh, and I'm mixing mine up. I'm getting it really soft and squishy. I love how Play-Doh smells. Ooh, it's so nice. Okay, so get your Play-Doh ready, and I'm going to start making mine into a little ball. I'm scrunching it into a circle, and I'm kind of rolling it around between my hands. Do you see how I'm doing this? Yeah, and then when I feel like it's a pretty good ball, a pretty good sphere, I'm gonna squish it. Ready? Squish! It looks like that. It looks like a flat pancake, and I might try to shape it a little bit so that it looks like a leaf. Let's see, leaves kind of have a pointy tip. Most importantly, for this math time, we're not artists, we're just mathematicians. So it's okay if it's not the most beautiful artwork you've ever done. I'm gonna make a leaf, and most importantly, I'm gonna make it flat. Flat, flat, flat. Okay, here's my leaf. Do you see how flat it is? It doesn't have any holes, and it's all just one big leaf-looking thing. All right, I'm gonna put mine down on my tray like this. Flatten it a little bit more. Squish, 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 squish. Okay, so this caterpillar is so hungry. And he's so hungry that he's gonna go through the computer and eat your Play-Doh. No, not really, but what we're gonna do is we're going to pretend, with some hipster prep pretend food, that the caterpillar is eating the food and taking bites of it, and every bite that the caterpillar takes, we have to squish a dot on our leaf. Because do you remember how Eric Carle squished dots onto his drawings, and that's how we knew that the caterpillar had taken a bite? So if the caterpillar is eating one one piece of corn, we're going to put one hole into our Play-Doh leaf. I just made one hole by poking my finger into it. You can also make a hole that doesn't go all the way through. You could make just kind of like an indent. So if this was my Play-Doh, I could just do boop and just make a tiny little squish down hole. It doesn't totally go through, but you can still see it. All that needs to matter is that you can see a little hole. So I'm gonna flatten mine out again. If you try making a hole, flatten yours out too again, so we can start over fresh. And I'm gonna tell you what the caterpillar is eating. And however many foods he eats, we have to do that many bites, okay? So caterpillar's ready to eat. Is your leaf all flat and ready to go? Awesome. Okay, great. Caterpillar, what are you hungry for first? Caterpillar is hungry for some ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. All right, because he's eating one thing of ice cream, you're gonna make one poke, one dot in the leaf to show that he ate one thing of ice cream. Does yours look like it has a dot in it? See mine right there? Good. All right. Good job, caterpillar. I'm gonna put it over here now. You ate that. Now, caterpillar, what do you want to eat? Caterpillar wants some bread. Yum. All right, caterpillar, since you eat some bread, I'm gonna put another dot in your leaf. How many dots do you have now? I have 2, because he ate 2 things. Ice cream and bread. Good job, caterpillar. Are you still hungry? He's still hungry. All right, we better get him something else to eat. What do you want now, caterpillar? He wants some cheese. He's so hungry. Oh, this cheese has holes in it too. All right, I'm gonna put the cheese with a pile of food. I'm gonna make another dot because so far he's eaten 3 things. He's eaten cheese, ice cream, and bread. So now I have 3 dots in my Play-Doh. Do you see my 3 dots? 3 kind of holes? All right, caterpillar, you can't still be hungry, can you? Is he still hungry? You're hungry? All right, let's see. What do you want now? Let's try to think of something really healthy. Maybe some fruit or vegetables. Okay. He wants a watermelon now. He ate the watermelon. All right, I'm gonna put another dot in my Play-Doh to show that he ate one more piece of food. All right, now I have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. He ate 4 things so far. Watermelon, bread, cheese, and ice cream. He's so hungry. You can't still be hungry, can you, Caterpillar? You can? Is he still hungry? Oh my goodness, he's still hungry. All right, we gotta get him some more things. Let's eat some more healthy things, okay? Ooh, he wants an orange. Yummy orange. Do you like oranges? I love oranges. So delicious. All right. Whoa, his pile's getting even bigger. Now he's eaten 5 things. So I'm gonna make another hole. Boop. So that I have 5 holes in my Play-Doh on the leaf. You are hungry, Caterpillar, aren't you? You're still hungry? Is he still hungry, you guys? Caterpillar, how can you still be hungry? You've eaten 5 foods. All right, Caterpillar. I know what you're going for. You're going for the strawberry yogurt. This caterpillar is so hungry, you guys. All right, strawberry yogurt. I am putting another hole into my Play-Doh. So now I have 6 holes for the 6 foods that caterpillar has eaten. Caterpillar, you cannot be hungry anymore, can you? You're still hungry? I don't have any more room on my leaf. Oh my goodness, okay, I'm gonna have to get you a new leaf. All right, I'm gonna need to make a new leaf because there's not too many holes on it now. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna make it again. Roll it around, roll it around, roll it around, roll it around. He eats 6 things, 6 pieces of food. All right, we're getting him another leaf. Make yours into a brand new leaf for him. Okay, I'm gonna roll into a ball. Okay, and squish. Muscles. All right, I'm gonna flatten it out, make a really big leaf because he loves eating so much. Okay, I'm gonna make one side a little more. Okay, make sure that it's really flat. That's the main thing, it has to be really flat. Okay, good. There's my new leaf, caterpillar. You already ate 6 foods on the other leaf. Are you hungry still? You'll not believe it, he's still hungry. All right, I'm gonna put these 6 foods over here. We're gonna do something with them later. All right, I have my new leaf. Do you have your new leaf out? Good. Okay, caterpillar, what do you want now? He wants a mushroom. I'm glad you're finally eating some vegetables, caterpillar. All right, you guys know what to do. I'm gonna put this in a new pile. I'm gonna get my finger out. I'm gonna poke 1 hole to show that he ate 1 food. Now there should be 1 hole in my leaf. All right, caterpillar. You're still hungry? Oh no, okay. How about some corn? He's eating all of the corn. I love corn. Don't eat all of it. Share some with me. Okay, thank you. All right, I'm putting it in my pile with my mushroom, and we're gonna poke 1 more hole into the leaf to show that he's eaten 2 foods so far on this leaf. A mushroom and a piece of corn. So now I have 2 holes. Do you see those? 1, 2. You should have 2 on yours too. Caterpillar, is he still hungry? You are? You've got to be getting full. How is there still so much room in your belly? This is crazy. All right, he's still hungry. We have to keep having him eat. Okay, how about a lemon? Should you have a lemon? Okay, good. He loves lemons. All right, I'm gonna put it in the pile and poke 1 more hole to show 3 holes all together. There's 3 holes because he's eaten 3 pieces of food on this leaf so far. A lemon, a mushroom, and a piece of corn. You are not gonna believe what he just said to me, you guys. He is still hungry. All right, well, caterpillar, I only have 1 more piece of food for you, so this is it, okay? Okay. He is hungry for a banana. Delicious. Okay, I'm putting that in my pile and poking 1 more hole. Boop. Now, I have 4 holes poked on this leaf. for all of the 4 foods he just ate. Are you full now? Good. I'm very glad, you guys. He's finally full. Awesome. I'm really happy about that. Because right now, Caterpillar, it's time to write a math problem. Huh? Friends, we just watched Mr. Caterpillar eat so many foods, didn't we? Mr. Caterpillar, are you still full? Yes, I am. Good thing you ate so many foods. We're gonna do addition now. We're gonna do some math to see how many foods Caterpillar ate in all. Because, Caterpillar, first you ate so many on one leaf that we had to get another leaf. So I wanna count how many pieces of food he ate on one leaf and add it to the number that he ate on the next leaf. We're gonna add those, put those 2 numbers together to see how many foods he ate total. Okay? All right? Yes. All right. You can sit right up here, Mr. Caterpillar, so that you can see what everyone's doing. All right, don't fall. Okay. I have a big whiteboard here at Pipster Pep, but if you want to get your little whiteboard that we sent home with you and also get your dry erase marker and maybe your eraser, and then you can do the math with me, okay? So if you need time to go get your dry erase board and your marker, press pause and then press play again when you come back. All right, if you have your dry erase marker, we're ready to go. On our dry erase board, we're gonna start by drawing a leaf. We're gonna do a little stem. And right now, we're mathematicians, so we aren't trying to be artists. We're just trying to be mathematicians. We don't really care how perfect or how great or amazing your leaf looks. We're just looking to work with some numbers and grow our math brains. All right, Mr. Caterpillar, on the first leaf, how many pieces of food did he eat? How many holes did we make on that first leaf to show how many foods he ate? You know, I can't really remember, so I kept track of the food that he ate so that we can remember and draw it on here together. All right, first he ate, actually not first, but in this pile he ate yogurt. On this leaf he ate yogurt. So can you draw a circle, like how we made a hole in our Play-Doh for yogurt? One for yogurt. He also ate bread, so let's draw another circle to show that we counted him eating his bread. Now we have 2 circles. He ate watermelon, didn't you, Mr. Caterpillar? Draw another circle for watermelon, so now we have 3 circles. And he ate some cheese, didn't you? Yeah. All right, we'll eat some cheese. That's 4. He ate some ice cream. Let's draw another circle for ice cream. That's 5. And he also ate an orange. The orange is going to be the 6th little circle. Let's count them and make sure that you guys have 6 too. He ate 6 foods that we showed on this leaf. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does your leaf have 6 bites in it? Good. That's showing all the 6 foods that he ate. Caterpillar, you ate 6 foods on that first leaf. All right, I want you to write the number 6 as best as you can, and there's 2 ways to do it. I start at the top and swing it around like this, like an ear, and then make a circle. You can also start by making a circle and then swinging it like that. Either way is totally fine to show a 6. What's another way that we can show the number 6? Have you heard of tally marks? I love tally marks. Tally marks, how you do them is you draw lines that show each of the numbers. So you draw 1 line for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is really fun. 5 goes diagonal. 5, and then you do another one for 6. And can you put your marker away? Just put the cap on and put it down and show me 6 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All together. This 5 is like this bundle right here that has a diagonal line, and then 1 more is 6. Good. Good job. Okay. Now, get your marker back out. We're going to be doing some more work. We need to draw the next leaf. Let's draw the next leaf that he ate on. Again, I'm not making it super beautiful because we're not being artists right now. We're being mathematicians. How many foods did you eat that we showed on the next leaf, Caterpillar? You can't remember? Me neither. Good thing I saved the food to make sure that we didn't forget. So you ate corn. Draw a little circle for corn. You ate a banana. Draw a little circle for banana. You ate a mushroom. Draw another circle for mushroom. And lastly, on that leaf, you ate a lemon. Draw another circle for lemon. Good. How many circles do we have on this leaf? Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles to show that you ate 4 foods on that leaf. All right, we're gonna get ready to write the number 4. You can write the number 4 a few different ways. Let me show you the way that I do it. I start by making an L, an uppercase L, and then on this side, right at the end of it, I'm gonna draw a straight line down. Yeah. Some people make 4s like this. They make a triangle, a half of a triangle, or parts of a triangle, and then draw a line down like that. I don't really like that way because it kind of looks like a number 9 to me sometimes, and that confuses me. So I like it this way. And then I want to draw 4 tally marks. So let's draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks. All right, let's put our marker away. And I want to see 4 on your fingers again. Ready? Okay. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So first he ate 6, and then he ate 4. He ate 6 foods and then 4 foods. So I wrote out this question that we're going to try to answer by doing some math. Caterpillar, I hope you can answer this with us. The question is, if Caterpillar ate 6 foods here, and then ate 4 more foods, how many foods did he eat in total? So we have to put 6 and 4 together. Let's see. We can either do it on our fingers, 4 and 6, or we can count. Let's start by counting. Ready? Count with me. We're going to count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep counting. 7, 8, 9, 10. I got the number 10. Did you? Good job. Let's double check on our fingers. It's always important to double check and make sure that our math brain is working right. All right, so I'm going to start by counting 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to add 4 more. After we're going to keep our 6 and add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 altogether. We had 6, and then we counted 4 more. The first one was 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Good job. So we can add a plus sign. A plus sign looks like this. It has one line down like this, and then one line like that. Can you show me with your arms? I make a cross like this, like a short little cross sign or plus sign like this. That means that we're putting this number on top of this number. We're going to put them together and make a bigger number. And then there's an equal sign. An equal sign looks like that. Can you do that with your arms? It's like they don't touch, they don't cross or anything. They just are like this, one on top of the other. Parallel lines. 6 plus 4 equals, and you put the answer on here, 10. 6 foods plus 4 more foods equals 10 foods total. Caterpillar, you ate 10 foods. Friends, before we go for math time, I want you to put your marker down, and I want to teach you a little song that I made up about plus signs and equal signs so that we can remember it, okay, and when we're using math equations. So, we have to use our arms. You ready to make a plus sign again? It goes like this. It's really silly. Go like this. Plus, plus, add, add. That's how you know that the plus sign means to add the numbers together and make a bigger number.
Plus, plus, add, add.
Plus, plus, add, add. When you say equals, can you make the equal sign? The answer. The answer is 10. The answer to this question is 10. How many did he eat in total? 10. Let's do it one more time.
Plus, plus, add, add. Plus, plus, add, add.
Plus, plus, add, add. Plus, plus, add, add. Plus, plus, add, add. Plus, plus, add, equals the answer. Good job. Awesome. You did your first addition math problem with Mr. Caterpillar. He's so proud of you, aren't you, Mr. Caterpillar? He is. He's feeling shy now.